Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm just going to be filming a clean with me video. I'm going to be cleaning our kitchen, dining room, and living room. Our house is a total disaster. I've been so busy with clinicals and schoolwork this past week that I haven't had a chance to do anything at all, hardly. So anyways, I'm going to be filming a clean with me video and I'm going to bring you along with me. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started with this video. So before I get started on the kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and throw a load of laundry into the washing machine. This is our laundry room. These are the clothes that I currently need to fold. And I think I also have a load in the dryer that needs to be folded as well. I hate folding laundry. I can wash it all day long, but I cannot fold it. This is just a bunch of random stuff that needs to be put away. And then, as you can tell, my husband clearly doesn't know where the hamper is to throw the clothes into. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and throw a load of laundry in the washing machine and then we will get started. Okay, so while that load is running, I'm going to go ahead and take everything off of my countertops and wipe them down. I'm using the Method All-Purpose Cleaner in the pink grapefruit scent. It smells so good and it is my favorite scent for the spring and summer. I'm also going to go ahead and wipe down my coffee machine. I'm not sure how, but somehow this always gets so dirty. The next thing I'm going to do is clean my stove. First, I spray it with the all-purpose cleaner just to get all the loose dirt off. And then I go in with this stove top cleaner. This has little beads in it, so I let it sit for just a few minutes and then I scrub it off. And it's really good at getting all of the burnt on mess off of my stove tops. Also going to go ahead and clean the glass on my back door today as well. The dogs jump up on the door whenever they want to come in, or they press their nose up to it when they want to look outside, so it gets smudges all over it. Kitchen is clean. I'm going to move on to our dining area and this little bar area. So this little bar area is mainly where my husband throws all of his stuff as soon as he gets home from work, and where a bunch of random little things go that need to be put away. So I'm going to clean that up, and then I'm also going to be cleaning our dining room table We have a bad habit of throwing things onto our dining room table that we don't feel like putting up at the moment, and then it just ends up staying here forever. I don't know why half of this stuff is out here. I have some makeup that I bought weeks ago and never used. And you can see all the dog hair on the table, deodorant, hair ties, my toothbrush, because I brushed my teeth in the kitchen this morning. Don't ask me why I do that too. My purse, my clinical shoes. It's honestly ridiculous that it stays this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and put everything where it belongs. So what I typically do when I'm cleaning off my dining room table is take everything off of it and put it on the little bar in our kitchen. That way everything is off of it and I can wipe it down. Then once I finish wiping down my dining room table, I move on to the bar area and I start putting things where they belong and making a pile for anything that needs to go into our bathroom. Okay, so now I'm just going to straighten up the living room. As you can see, we have a lot of dog hair, and we have a robot vacuum that vacuums every night, but somehow there's still dog hair. And as you can see, our rug is warped. We got this rug really cheap off of eBay when we first got married, and it's really bad quality, but whatever, it does the trick. So I'm just gonna straighten up in here, put those shoes away, deal with these two. Now that I've finished cleaning my house, I'm going to go ahead and light some of the fall candles that I have to really get my house smelling great. So this was just supposed to be a clean with me video, but my new iPhone just came in. Let me grab it real quick. So I thought that I would do a little bit of an unboxing just because I don't know what to expect. Okay, sorry if you can hear the dogs walking around in the background. We have hardwood, so it's pretty loud when they're walking across it. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So I got the 11 Pro in black. I didn't get the Max. I almost did. Like, she was pulling it up to order it for me. But my best friend has the XS, and she didn't have the Max, and she went from the 7 Plus like I did, and she said she didn't have any issues with it, and I have really small hands anyways. I know that probably doesn't even make sense to anybody, but I just went ahead and got this Pro, the smaller one. Okay, so here it is. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. So I went with the black one. I've always had gold or the rose gold in all the other iPhones that I've gotten. So I thought that I would try the matte black. So I thought it looks so pretty, and it does look so pretty, oh my gosh. So here it is. I'm not sure how to turn it on. And I'm actually filming on my 7 Plus right now, so I will be filming on my 11 Pro because I don't have a camera just yet. So I'm so excited to film this because I hear the camera is amazing. So yes, I'm so excited, so excited. Okay, so I am filming on my new phone. I really like this phone. The camera is a lot better than my other one, which is really good, and I'm really excited about that. I thought I would also add, for anybody who's getting the 11 Pro, when I went to order mine at the store, the woman told me that my Apple Watch no longer would be compatible, and basically I would need to get a new Apple Watch. I had the Series 1, and I was really upset because I used my watch every day and for clinicals and school and everything. But I came home and I tried it, and it is compatible. Mine seems to be working just fine with the 11 Pro. So if they do say that to anybody, just try it first, I guess, before buying a new Apple Watch, because mine works perfectly fine, and so I don't have to get a new watch, thank God. Although I did tell my husband that would be a great graduation present for me in May, would be a new Apple Watch. So anyways, I just wanted to hop back on here and say thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I will see you for my next video. Bye guys.